Article writing is a kind of writing that is written to reach a massive audience with the help of the press. In the case of article writing, the press refers to publishing houses of newspaper, magazines, journals, etc. It is written in such a way that it can inform the mass about a certain topic. It may be the topics of interest of the writer or it may be related to some current issues. The topic can either be serious or not so serious. Same goes for its tone and language. Objectives of article writing. An article is written with the following objectives. It brings out the topic or the matter of interest in the limelight. The article provides information on the topics. It offers suggestions and piece of advice. It influences the readers and urges them to think. The article discussed various stories, persons, locations, rising issues, and technical developments. We will now learn how to write an article. Step 1. Choose a current topic. Step 2. Write an appealing title for the article. The title must not be of more than 6 words. Step 3. Write the byline in the next line. The byline simply means the name of the writer of the article. Step 4. Collect and select. Gather as such information as possible. Also, identify the details that are most significant. Step 5. Now you have to start writing the body of the article, which is the main part of the article, consisting of 2 to 3 paragraphs. Keep the introduction of the topic catching, interesting, and short. Step 6. In this step, you have to write the conclusion. A conclusion paragraph usually contains the opinion or recommendation of the writer, or anticipation, or an appeal. Things to keep in mind while writing an article. First, the article must be in easy language for better understanding. Second, the title of the article must be catchy and clearly understandable. Third, discuss the opinion and the matter in an organized and descriptive manner. Fourth, while writing an article, always use proper grammar, spelling, and proper punctuation.